Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to grant access to the developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, about phone, find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times, just like this. And as you can see, it asks me if I want to allow developer settings. Tap OK, and now you're a developer. You can find these developer options here at the system section. And yeah, here they are, our super interesting and super useful and helpful developer options. You can also disable them here, and they will disappear from the settings list after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.